Welcome children to your maths class. Now today I am going to tell you a very interesting story. So listen to the story carefully. This is Ria. Her name is Ria. She wants to tell you something. Hi, I am hungry. Let's see what we have in the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen with Ria. Now Ria has come to the kitchen. In the kitchen, she sees a plate and there are apples in it. Can you count the apples for Ria? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 apples in the plate. Ria eats 2 of them. Now, can you tell me how many apples are there in the plate? Yes, 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 apples in the plate. So, I can say from 5 apples, take away 2 apples, leaves 3 apples. Means 5 apples में से 2 apples को अगर हम निकाल देंगे तो कितने बचेंगे? 3 apples. Okay? Now, can you tell me what is this process of taking one number away from another number called? As you can remember, from 5 apples, that is the number 5, we have taken away another number, that is 2, and we are left with an answer. So what is this process called? This process is called subtraction. So children, today we will be learning about subtraction. Now you have come to know that subtraction means taking away one number from another number. Okay? Now, as from the previous example, from 5 apples, take away 2 apples, leaves 3 apples. Now, I can write this in one more way. Let me show you. 5 minus 2 equals 3. So, I have taken 5 from here minus because we are taking away. हम उसमें से निकाल रहे हैं. So, I have written minus 2 equals 3. Now, I can also write this as 5. This line that you can see here is the symbol of subtraction. Okay, so this is the symbol of subtraction. So I can write it in this way also. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Okay, children. Now it's activity time. Let us do some activity. Let me see what we have to do. Okay, so can you count how many cups are there here? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now from 9 cups, I take away 4 cups. Okay, so I have circled the 4 cups that I am taking away. Now can you tell me how many cups remain? Now the question is, from dash cups, take away dash cups, leaves dash cups. So from dash cups में आप क्या लिखोगे? What number? We have counted the cups, right? Yes, 9 cups. We take away how many cups have been circled? Yes, 4. So how many is left? Leaves 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So my answer is 5 cups. Okay. Now let us see the next one. So this is a chocolate bar. Let me see how many we have here. Okay, so we have 5 chocolate bars here. 5 chocolate bars minus 1 and 2 chocolate bars equals 1, 2 and 3 bars. Okay. Now we have empty boxes over here and we have to fill it with numbers. Now, can you tell me, as you can see over here, just a sec. Okay. As you can see over here, how many chocolates are there? Yes, there are 5 chocolates. So what am I going to fill in this box? 5. Yes. Minus, this is the symbol of subtraction. How many chocolates can you see here? 2. So I will be filling the number 2 here. 5 minus 2. How many will remain? Equal sign दिया हुआ है. How many is remaining? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 remains. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. So you have solved this also. The same way you must be having exercises in your book that you will be doing. Okay. Now let us look at some of the interesting properties of subtraction. Okay. Now this is a beautiful flower pot with beautiful flowers in it. Now can you count the flowers for me? How many flowers are there in the flower pot? Yes, 1, 2 and 3. So there are 3 flowers in a flower pot. This is Riya. Remember her? Riya does not pluck any flower. वैसे it's a good habit if you do not pluck flowers. Okay. So how many flowers are there in the flower pot now? So there are 3 flowers in the flower pot. As you can see, Riya does not pluck any flower. Now since we have to find what is remaining, क्या बचा हुआ है, so we will perform subtraction. Minus, अब रिया ने तो एक भी फ्लावर प्लक नहीं किया, so nothing का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of nothing? Yes, 0. So 3 minus 0 will give me how much? Tell me. 3 है फ्लावर पॉट में, रिया ने प्लक नहीं किया, so how many will remain? Yes, it will be 3. Okay. Now we have seen 3 minus 0 equals 3. Now can you see the number on both the sides? Yes. मतलब हमने 0 से subtract किया, then too we have got the same number. Can you see? So I can say when we subtract 0 from a number, the number remains the same. यानी कि we get the same number. Okay. So this is called the subtraction property of 0. ठीक है? This you have to remember. Okay. Now there is one more interesting property. Let us have a look at it. Now these are some balloons. Can you count it for me? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 balloons. One balloon gets burst. So I will subtract because वो तो खत्म हो गया. Minus 1 equal to question. Can you tell me how many balloons are left? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have removed the green balloon because it has burst. So how many are remaining? Yes, 5 balloons. Now I have an important question for you. You have learned after and before numbers. Now can you tell me what comes before 6? Yes? Yes, absolutely correct. It is 5. Now can you see when we subtracted 1 from 6, we have got the answer 5. And what comes before 6? Yes, that is also 5. So both are the same. So we can say that when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the previous number. यानी कि before. ठीक है? So we get the previous number. This is called the subtraction property of 1. Okay, children? This is the subtraction property of 1. Okay. Now I have some questions for you. Let me see if you can answer. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the dash number. Can you tell me? Yes, we get the same number. Very good, children. That means you have watched the video carefully. Now, I am going to tell you the next question. I am asking you the next question. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the dash number. Tell me, अगर हम 1 subtract करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? Yes, before number मिलेगा. But what is the before number called? Yes, we get the previous number. Please learn the spellings also, okay? Previous. Previous number. Okay? Now you have watched the video carefully, learnt many things. That is all for today. Take care of yourselves, children. Bye-bye.